It's funny how we often overlook the simplest things in life, like vegetables. I mean, we've all heard the saying, eat your greens, but how often do we really stop to think about why that is? Let me take a moment and share with you why making vegetables a daily part of your diet can be a game changer, not just for your health, but for your overall well-being. First off, let's talk about energy. You know those days when you feel like you're dragging yourself through mud? Well, incorporating more vegetables into your diet can actually help combat that fatigue. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with iron, which is crucial for transporting oxygen in your blood. More oxygen means more energy. And let's not forget about fiber. Vegetables are loaded with it, which not only keeps your digestive system running smoothly, but also helps you feel fuller for longer. So, if you're snacking on carrot sticks instead of chips, you might just find you have more energy to tackle that afternoon slump. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The dreaded health food stereotype. Eating vegetables doesn't have to mean munching on bland salads every day. There's a whole world of flavors and textures out there. Think roasted Brussels sprouts with a sprinkle of balsamic vinegar, or a vibrant stir-fry with colorful bell peppers and crunchy broccoli. It's all about getting creative in the kitchen. When you start experimenting with different cooking methods, grilling, steaming, or even throwing them in a smoothie, you'll discover that vegetables can be delicious and satisfying. And speaking of satisfaction, let's chat about mood. Did you know that what you eat can affect how you feel? It's true! There's a growing body of research showing that diets rich in fruits and vegetables can lead to improved mental health. Those bright, colorful veggies are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. So, the next time you're feeling a bit down, maybe reach for a bowl of mixed berries or a crunchy salad instead of that tub of ice cream. You might just find that your mood lifts a little. Now, let's not forget about the long-term benefits. Eating a variety of vegetables every day can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. It's like investing in your future health. Picture this: you're older, wiser, and still able to enjoy life to the fullest. That's the kind of future I want for myself, and I'm sure you do too. By making vegetables a staple in your daily routine, you're setting yourself up for success down the line. Another fantastic benefit of eating vegetables daily is their role in weight management. If you're looking to maintain or lose weight, vegetables are your best friend. They're low in calories but high in volume, meaning you can eat a lot without packing on the pounds. Plus, the fiber they contain helps regulate your appetite. It's a win-win situation. You get to enjoy a hearty plate full of food without the guilt. And let's not underestimate the power of community. Sharing meals that are rich in vegetables can bring people together. Think about it. Cooking a colorful vegetable stir-fry for friends or family can spark conversations about health, sustainability, and even creativity in the kitchen. It's a way to connect with others while also promoting a healthier lifestyle. So, as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with this thought. Eating vegetables every day isn't just a chore or a fad diet. It's a lifestyle choice that can lead to a happier, healthier you. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, make it a point to fill your cart with a rainbow of veggies. Your body, mind, and taste buds will thank you.